Hey, have you ever been afraid of loud noise? Okay, so you should have been afraid of loud noise for the first time. You might have not observed one thing. You would have closed or blinked your eyes. So why is that? Okay, let's take it this way. Why are we afraid of loud noise? So basically what the people's brain processes is loud noise is like some danger or some bad thing is going to happen, or it's not for us, we have to get out of here. So that's what people think at first of what loud noise is. So why does our eye closes? Why do we blink when we hear something loud? Okay, so the eye is an external organ. Our eye is the most important external organ which we have. The brain is the most important too, but that's an internal organ, and that will not be affected by the outside nature and environment. So why does our eye close? Okay, so this can be explained by the effect of the reflexes in our eye. So the eye tends to close because our brain gets a signal saying that it is a danger. It is something loud. You have to close it. But that's for kids. So what is the right explanation for our kind of brain? Okay, so there you go. So there's the explanation. So the noise activates the vestibulocochlear nerve, which sends a signal to the ipsilateral cochlear nucleus in our brain, and then that signal reaches the eye in the orbicularis oculi muscle, which tends to close, which is why it tends to close. So what is oculi? In Latin, oculus is called an eye. So oculi is the muscle in an eye which operates the closing and the opening of an eye. So when that muscle gets activated, our eye tends to close. So that's why we close our eyes not close our eyes, but rather blink for a split second when we hear something loud. Thanks for watching.